My name is More Crypto, and today we're going to be looking at Coti. We're going to do a technical analysis, a top-down, and we're going to be sort of updating ourselves on a video that I made about 1.5 to 2 weeks ago on the situation currently with Coti and why right now might be a perfect time to get in. I just want to show you some of my previous videos and update you on them. So we can see I talked about in my top 3 NFT videos for April, I talked about Matrix AI. At the minute it is up 44-45% from that video. At its sort of peak in the past few days it was at 19 cents, so that's a 90% increase. You would have doubled your money on that one. Another coin that I looked at, within that video was Chili's, you can see, was at 52 cents. I did make another video doing a technical analysis pretty much 3 or 4 days ago, and that was 46 cents right there, and I did predict that it was going to just shoot up, and that's exactly what's happened. Okay, it's just shot up right now, and I do expect it to sort of keep on rising from here, hopefully. Okay, so that's Chili's, and the first coin that I've ever talked about on this channel, $5.46, that was the price that it was at, and I believed it to be one of the best coins to 10x your money. It did reach $19, so you would have 5x, 4 to 5x your money there, and you can see right now it's still at a pretty good price from that $5 that we were talking about. So you would have made about a 400% profit on that one. Now with this, I would look at getting back in at around $11 to $13. Any price between there, I feel like in the long term is a good price to get back into, okay, because this coin has a lot of potential. So there we go. I just want to say, if you do appreciate the content on this channel, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and start letting me know in the comments below exactly what coins you want me to be looking at as well. Okay, I'd really appreciate that. Let's all become millionaires by the end of 2021 in this bull run. We're all in this together. So let me know about any gems that you want me to look at as well, and if I believe they hit my criteria, then I will make a video on them as well. I will review them. Okay, so we've got Coti. We can see we've had a huge increase, about 700-800% there. Then we've had a retracement, which is perfectly normal, and in my opinion something very good in the longevity of the coin. You can see we've had that 40-50% decrease from here. I'll just show you as well. So we've had a pretty much 40 to 50% decrease there, and with these resistance lines, these are the major sort of support/resistance zones that I have marked out. I do this Fibonacci region on, and in this Fibonacci region you can see we've hit this 0.786 region, and to me this is a very good indicator to buy, because as long as it's a solid coin, as long as it's a solid project, I very rarely see coins dipping below this region. So the fact that we've hit it and bounced right back off is a very good indicator for me, and I'm going to tell you exactly when I'm looking to get right into it. So we've got that. Let's go on to our 4-hourly. Let's look at everything in a lot more detail. My previous video, we had these exact same support structures and lines on. The only thing I've added is this sort of descending trend line, which unfortunately we didn't work out to be bullish in that exact video. Okay, we worked out to be in the bearish scenario, which is something that we should always account for, and it's not an issue at all. So we went down from here. We did sort of start moving horizontally around this period. I was hopeful that it would go up, but it didn't. But all it means is that it's given us an opportunity to buy at a lower price, and that's exactly what's happened. We've came down and we've hit this support region again, and that has sort of been resistance there, and it bounced straight back down onto this, and it's sort of just yo-yoing from there. But all that means is that we've hit it once, we've hit it twice, and right now we can see we're heading a little bit down now as well, and I'm going to show you exactly what will happen in my opinion. So from here we can see we've established a sort of descending wedge. Okay, so starting from there, going down towards there, and from here going down towards this bottom there as well. The price has been compressed. We've got this energy build up, and this energy build up has played out, and as soon as we hit this, it was just a marker for people to buy, okay, and that's what's happened. It's shot up a good, I believe it's 10-15%. Okay, so about a 20% increase there. Now with this 20% increase, for it to go high. Obviously with crypto, 20% increases are good, but with cryptocurrency we all get a little bit greedy and we want those 70, 80, 90% increases, okay? And that's what we're looking for here as well with Coti. We've had a long wait, and I believe right now might be the perfect time to get in. Everything's been increasing that much, and Coti is the one thing that's been left out. So now what I see happening is that it's went back up, it's bounced from here. Okay, I do want to see it come back down a little, which it is doing right now. I do want to see it coming back down a little, and I would want to buy pretty much a 50% decrease from this increase here, so 50 to 75%. Any region between there I feel like is a safe region to buy, and shows that we have established this as a major support region now, okay? And then from here I do believe we're going straight back up. We will encounter some resistance on the way, so around here and potentially this trend line, but pretty much in the next few days, if this does play out, we are looking at breaking past this zone and then heading up towards that all-time high. So essentially, from, if you want to buy now, it would be a 45-50% increase from there. But if you want to wait a little and sort of establish that and really make sure that we are getting in at the right time and confirm the fact that it's headed upwards, then we are looking at a 70% increase there, potentially more. So Coti is, I believe it's at about $250 million market cap, which obviously is, it's not the lowest of the low, so we're not looking at sort of penny cryptos, as I like to call them, but we're looking at those mid-range coins where they're not in the billions but they're in the millions, which shows that they have some solid potential, and especially with Coti as well, the amount of hype around it. I believe there's a whole host of events coming in. I think, let me just check, I think it's May or June, where Coti's got quite a few events coming. Okay, so if that loads there, let's just look at Coti. We can see when the main events are. So yeah, so June, we've got quite a few events coming for Coti, and it is a really good coin within the cryptocurrency space that I do believe in long term, and I don't see a reason why it shouldn't hit that 1 billion mark. And all of this is just good news for the coin, essentially, because I always say whenever we are trading a coin, make sure it's a coin that you want in the long term. If it's something you don't believe in long term, do not bother day trading it, because essentially even if it does go down, there is always that chance it will go down. And if it does go down, you want to be in the mindset where you just want to buy more, decrease that dollar cost average. Okay, so essentially Coti, it's got a lot going for it. 250 million market cap. I see it going up to $1 billion by the end of this bull run. You've got all these events coming. We've hit that major support zone. Wait for it to come down a little and then buy back. Okay, so there we go. We've had a little bit of analysis with Coti, and if you did appreciate the content, then let me know in the comments down below. It does really help me out. It does motivate me to create more content for you guys, and I do aim to post a video daily should there be something to post. Okay, so there we go. Thank you very much guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.